So how to install BlackMagic camera app on iPhone. This is a new app. It's going through the roof of the charts. And basically the idea is that especially with the newer iPhones, you add in digital film camera controls and operating systems to your iPhone. And this app claims that you can kind of create the same cinematic look as Hollywood feature films. You get the same intuitive and user-friendly interface as the BlackMagic designs award-winning cameras. So this app aims to turn your iPhone into a professional digital film camera. So I need to say probably it just makes more sense to use this app with the latest versions of iPhones like iPhone 14 Pro Max, iPhone 15 later maybe. And then especially with these USB-C changes, it will be faster to get the footage from your iPhone to external device. So yeah, let's just install it. It's pretty exciting. And then you can just download it. Let's see how it looks like. So to get started, you need to access to camera, microphone, photo library, and location. And then basically there you have it. So this is just I'm filming my sofa. Sorry, I was just like, here's the coffee. But yeah, here you can see all of these advanced filters, and then there is like media, then there is chat, but you need to use their software like BlackMagic Cloud. All of these additional controls and things which you can use. And of course you can then just add, so you can just rotate it and then it looks kind of, like professional camera. So in a nutshell, that's basically how it looks like.